Okay, Mike, this is your machine. I just finished putting the final touches on it. And so you can hear there's almost no air leak in it anymore. I changed this entire component here, a couple tubes on the inside that were kind of like really messed up, a couple fittings as well, like these. I changed a couple of those because this portion right here wasn't properly holding the tubes. So changed that. I put a new start button, emergency stop button, so now that works properly. And I did another start button because this one, the old one, which is around here somewhere, was misfiring constantly. So I'm just gonna show you how it works now. There's a little delay in between the safety pistons firing and the main piston firing, but there's really nothing more I can do about that. So now it works properly. Another thing is there's a big issue with I guess the power supply, but I'm not entirely sure how to fix that, and I really don't see it as being that big a deal. So I don't think you have to fix it, or I have to change it. So I'm going to show you what I'm talking about. What I'm going to do is I'm going to turn this off. I'm going to pull out the power supply, the cable. Okay. Now plug it back in, and I'm going to turn. Oh, now it wants to start. Okay. So the issue I'm experiencing is when you first plug it in and you turn it on, the entire screen is black, so it doesn't display anything. And then after like a minute or two, it'll flicker. And then what I do is you turn it off, turn it back on, and then the screen will display properly. It's not doing that right at this moment. Let me try to do it again. But besides that, this machine is good to go. Let's see if I can get the same effect again. Nope. Okay. Well, it is what it is. Besides that, this machine is good to go. You'll be able to get back to work. Thank you.